Salt and chili chips. And we're off. In from the right hand side comes a tablespoon of vegetable oil, closely followed by the spring onion, minced garlic, sliced chili, and it's a slow start sitting in the back from the 2-to-1 favourite cooked chips who had an excellent season last year. And in from the right hand side it's neck and neck with sliced pepper and white onion, followed by spring onion, minced garlic, red chili, sitting at the back. Cooked chips, 2-to-1 favourite, might not be such a good season this year after all. And over the first hurdle we go with spring onion and green pepper landing well. And green pepper's very tired now. Can he make it over the next hurdle? And he's coming to a halt. Meanwhile, white onion has some movement. Can he get over it? And he's refused. Could this be a race with no finisher? Meanwhile, down the country, here comes vegetable oil. Green pepper on the far side, but here comes white onion. Green pepper accelerating. It's green pepper on the far side, white onion on the near side. There's a tremendous cheer from the crowd. Green pepper flying towards the line. Over the next hurdle they go, and it's green pepper followed by white onion landing well. In the lead now as they come up the second last, it's white onion, green pepper, white onion, green pepper, white onion's going to take it. There's a furlong now between white onion and green pepper. What a tremendous race. Two fabulous vegetables, cooked chips sitting in tight behind. But wait, here comes minced garlic, red chili as they make their way around the final bend. Over the hurdle they go. Now as they come to the final hurdle, red chili is going to jump marginally in the lead. Onion on the near side, red chili on the far side. Red chili as the race starts to heat up, coming in fast, 3 furlongs behind, it's cooking oil, cooking oil. Round the final bend they go, it's green pepper, white onion, red chili's taking a bad fall at 20-to-1 outside of red chili's out. Green pepper and white onion starting to tire. Here comes cooked chips, a 2-to-1 favourite, closely followed by salt and chili mix coming up the far side. What a tremendous seasoning this is for 2-to-1 favourite cooked chips. Now coming up from the near side it's Shaoxing Wine into the mix, starting to start heating things up. Cooked chips on top followed by white onion, green pepper, red chilies back in the race. Here comes non-runner Sesame Oil as he passes through cooked chips, white onion, green pepper, red chili and falls behind in the field. Over the final hurdle they go, it's white onion, green pepper, red chili, cooked chips. What a splendid seasoning of white onion, green pepper, red chili, Shaoxing Wine, Sesame Oil, cooked chips, all neck and neck as we come up to the final straight. And here comes the salt and chili mix seasoning right at the end, disqualified in 2024 for having too much MSG. Over the hurdle they go, and what's this? Coming up on the near side, it's spring onions gonna take it. And over the last hurdle we go, and it's spring onions taking it.